Destinus has reached a significant production milestone by completing its 1,000th T150 turbojet engine in 2026. Built entirely in-house in Europe, the T150 powers the Ruta B1 and Ruta B2 cruise missile family and plays a key role in supporting large-scale production and deployment. This achievement marks an important step in strengthening Europe's ability to manufacture advanced propulsion systems at an industrial level. One of the biggest challenges in cruise missile production has always been propulsion. Producing large numbers of reliable engines is difficult, and it often limits how quickly missile systems can be built. The T150 program was created to solve that problem. Destinus developed the engine from the ground up and established a dedicated European production line, focused on consistent quality, testing, and repeatable manufacturing. The result is a propulsion system designed not only for current production needs, but also for future expansion. According to Destinus, reaching 1,000 engines is about much more than engineering a successful product. It demonstrates the ability to manufacture at scale. The company designed the engine, built the tooling, created the testing infrastructure, established the supply chain, and manages quality control internally. This vertically integrated approach gives Destinus greater control over production and reduces dependence on outside suppliers, which have traditionally slowed European cruise missile manufacturing. The T150 production line is designed for continued growth, allowing output to increase as demand rises. It also supports future programs, including expansion efforts through the Rheinmetall Destinus Strike Systems joint venture. This milestone comes shortly after Destinus revealed the Ruta B3, a new long-range strike system capable of reaching targets up to 2,000 kilometers away. That system will be powered by the next-generation T220 turbojet engine, which is also being developed in-house. Together, the T150 and T220 form a growing family of propulsion systems that will power a significant portion of Destinus's future cruise missile portfolio. With 1,000 engines now produced, Destinus is demonstrating not only advanced engineering capability, but also the manufacturing capacity needed to support large-scale defense production in Europe.